time you saw me. Let's hope. Maybe I get some weight, who knows? We are getting older and not younger, unfortunately. By the way, I have one little crazy idea. I would like to present you my new film, Chat with Nature. Are you ready for new adventures with ANRO? If yes, then let's go.
And so we are here, my little dear fellows, in one of my favorite places in the whole world. And we are having a wonderful chat with nature. Sometimes I will be talking not too loud, because you should listen to the nature. By the way, I feel much more comfortable standing behind the camera other than in front. Maybe you would like to be my actors. Just look at the sky. Internal wonders clouds. Oh, do you think they are fluffy one? Oh, nobody ever touched them. What a challenge, I can tell you. I like looking in the sky. It gives me some peace and calmness. By the way, who would like to hug a tree? You know that this is the very positive exercise. How about that tree, what you are looking at right now? I'm going to hug it. Would you like to join me? Let's go. By the way, I am not the fairy from this forest, but there is a chance that we can meet her. Oh, look, again a plane. Have you ever seen the tree who is falling but cannot fall? I am giving you right now such an opportunity. Look at this, what a strange form, don't you think so? Ew. Maybe we should go here? Oh, in such a way? No? And what about this? Somehow this is strange. Upside down. By the way, with this equipment I do look strange. Oh, right now we are going to climb a little bit. Yes, ANRO is going to climb. Sorry, right now vision won't be so good one, but we are going upstairs. Everybody looking at me here. Do they think that I am kind of a star? Oh, dirty one. Oops. No, I am not a star. At least yet. But who knows? Maybe after this blockbuster, everybody will just recognize me. Ooh, there are people here hiding. Let's go further. Where this road will bring us, nobody knows. Am I right? My dear little fellows. By the way, didn't you fall asleep yet? And this scene I will call hiding in the bushes. Let's not talk loudly. We should hear the nature. Yoo-hoo! Just look at these tall, giant trees. I remember the post about trees are too high or too tall, people are too small. I think when I'm looking at these trees, I can exactly feel this. I am a tiny compared to them. Ladies, hello to you. You look so wonderful and so fresh. about a walk with ANRO between these trees? What do you think? Isn't it a good idea? You are afraid to be lost. Yeah, that's the fact. It can happen. Just look at these shadows and light. Wonderful. Maybe that's only for me interesting. Do you recognize this house? This house where I invited you for a cup of tea. So how about that? Are you ready to come to me? Well, the only problem is that this is not mine yet. And I have big doubts that will be ever mine. But anyway, you are always welcome to join me for my morning cup of tea. Do you hear titmouses? They are singing their song specially for you. How about to join me here in this winter house? Do you hear all these sounds? Nature talks to you. guess that's all for today. My lunch break is over. We have to come back to work. It was a nice chat with nature. Don't you think so? I do like critics, so don't be shy to tell me your opinion. And also, maybe you have some ideas what you would like to see in my films next time. Please don't hesitate and contact me. Yours, Anne.